In this video, I'll show you a few ways to actually fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed in 2021. There's a bunch of ways, a bunch of fixes that you can apply on any iPhone and on any Android device. So let's start the video. But before that, just give the video a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot, gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you are new. We are at 13,300 subscribers, which is really cool. But the goal is to get 100K ASAP. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. And if you want us to cover a topic, just also comment it down below. So if you're refreshing and the feed just doesn't refresh, couldn't refresh, I fixed it for me, and I'll show you how you can fix it as well. The first thing you can check is just that you're not on airplane mode, your mobile cellular data is on from your settings, or also when swiping up. This is the first thing you can do. The next thing is make sure that when you click on general, you have the latest version of iOS for you. And then what you can do is just open up Safari and check if Instagram is down. I'm using isitdownrightnow.com, and you just can type in Instagram like this, click on check, and if it says down, oops, that's Facebook. But Facebook, Instagram, same company. When one is up, the other is up, and vice versa. It was less down more than a week ago. Instagram, I think it was down 2 weeks ago. But yeah, this is, and you can also check comments below. Another thing you can do is actually go on speedtest.net and just check your internet connection. Click on go and check your internet speed. If your speed is good, it's not your fault. So then if you've done all of that, still no results, what you can do is go on general on your iPhone, apps on Android, click on iPhone storage, then find Instagram. It should be somewhere at the top because it has a lot of size, 800 megabytes, documents data, offload the app, which will pretty much reset all the cache, and then reinstall it. And the last thing you can do is go on your Google Play Store or App Store, click on search, type in Instagram. And if there's some update option around the app, you want to make sure you update it to the newest version possible, because if there's an issue for all devices, this can actually help you out. And there's also one bonus thing that you can do. You can actually go on your iPhone or Android phone, just find Instagram down below, and make sure you have background app refresh on, mobile data on, or cellular data. Because if you are on cellular data and cellular data is off for Instagram, that won't work. You gotta have it. So if this video helped you out, you already know what to do. You can give it a like for the algorithm. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you want us to cover a topic, comment down below. If you have any questions around the topic, again, comment down below. We try to get back to every single comment. See you in the next video.